place where I once lost myself. I wish I could be there right now.
For the past 15 years, I always thank God, and He gave me a wonderful family, that I have two lovely daughters and a best husband like you.
I know a place I can go anymore, but once I just walked in and out. The way to the door, I can't find it no more. And now I'm just
Hirapan ako, pati iyakin ako eh. Pwede bang hindi na lang doon? Huwag na lang, buwasan na lang natin.
used to be mine when it just doesn't want to be found. Where do I go with no signs on the road to get back to the place that I know?
Analmen, tamputang.
Taking the steps that you seem to be
Happy 15th years anniversary.
that I'm just walking blind.
I love you, Rose.
I wish I could feel just some wind from behind.
Nice!
Guess it. Ano yan?
What's this?
What
What about you?
Phone.
to be found.
Worth of 1 million.
Silence on the road to get back to the place that I know.
Si Rose kasi,
What
ang
used to be mine when it just
babaeng nagtiyaga sa akin.
be found.
At nakita ko talaga na yung pagmamahal niya sa akin eh, totoo talaga.
No signs
Nung panahon kasing yun,
to get back to
alam mo ng kabataan, medyo malikot, magulo ang mga pag-uugali natin ng panahon na yun. Pero napatunayan ko na si Rose talaga yung
place to get
buong tangi na nagtiyaga sa akin noon.
place to get back
Kaya siya ang pinili ko.
place that I know. To get back to the place
Rose, kailan may hindi kita pagtatakbo?
to the place to get back to the
Isuot mo at pakain
place
natin
that I
ang
know.
sisig na ito.
na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig.
Siyang tanda
To
ng aking
the
pag-ibig
place that I know.
at katapos.
Nagkakilala kami ni Rose. Actually, pareho kaming galing sa Dubai. Actually, nung una, hindi naman siya nakikisama sa amin kasi mga Filipino, grupo-grupo. Pero napansin namin na hindi siya nakikisama sa amin. So nilapitan namin siya. Doon kami nagsimula magkakilala at nalaman namin na yung bahay niya sa Dubai tsaka yung bahay na pinitirahan ko magkalapit lang pala. Yung promise ko sa'yo na makakasalang ka, ito na. Thank you sa pagtsatsaga lahat. Yun lang. Thank you lang. I love you. Mami, happy anniversary. 15th year. Parang kailan lang. Actually, wala sa plano, biglaan. Thank you sa lahat. Sa pagsasakripisyo. At sa patuloy na pagmamahal sa amin. Maraming salamat. I love you.
We've been through a lot of things, and I really thank God how He used that to make us stronger and love each other even more.
Promises is, hanggat buhay, nandito ako sa tabi niya. Para sa mga bata at sa kanilang lahat. Yun lang naman pwede ko ipangako sa kanila ngayon kasi medyo may nararamdaman na rin ako. Yung pag-ibig na panghabang buhay. Yun ang may papromise ko sa kanya. Mahal na mahal ko si Rose habang buhay. Higit pa sa buhay ko.
I don't have any other prayers, but may the Lord give you good health, a long life, so we can do more beautiful things, more happy moments, and more love for each other, together with our kids. I love you forever, and thank you for your love.